Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Joy Gang again. And it's been a while I haven't talked to you guys since medyo busy ako in past few days for some important reason. And na-miss ko kayo kaya gagawin ko na tong vlog na to. Actually, I planned na gagawin tong challenge na to before pero hindi siya natuloy. Inuna ko yung Chubby Bunny tsaka yung Tutrobahin at Chuchuwain challenge. So, ngayon, gagawin ko na siya, guys. Yes, medyo mahangin sa labas. Okay, so for today's vlog, yung gagawin ko po is yung question and answer challenge. Yes, this is all about myself. I will answer some questions and also I will give you some information about myself. Just a little one. Okay, so without any without any further ado, let's get started.
In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama don't stress your mind. So mama don't stress your mind.
Okay, so before answering some questions, by the way, I got those questions from an application which I downloaded from the App Store. So it is a question in a box application. Yes, it is for free, guys. So if you want to have some questions na gusto nyong sagutin, just upload. Ano ba to? Just download that application. For free lang naman po siya, guys. So before ko nga I will insert the application niya. Ito yung question in a box. Yeah. So ayun, before ako mag-answer ng mga questions from the application is I will give you some information about myself muna. So yes, I am Joy Gang and my real name is Meljoy Paghasian Pakatang Sumalpong. I am from Siquijor, the island of fire, and I am the youngest among four kasi kaming magkakapatid. I am the youngest. Yung oldest namin, I will insert their pictures. Yung eldest namin is si Ate Maria Leilani Joy. Then yes, that's our oldest. And yung pangalawa, yung kuya ko, si Kuya JR Sumalpong. Palahang. Yan. And yung pangatlo is yung mommy ni Zach, which is si Zach, yung baby na palagi nyo nakikita sa mga vlog ko. Ayan, si Zach. And yes, yung mommy niya is si Darling Palahang. Ayan. So, ako yung youngest. And pag youngest daw is yun yung pinakamaganda. Joke! Okay, ayun. And syempre yung mommy ko, si Mommy Joy, which is yung palagi yung nakikita din sa mga vlog ko, sa mga challenges na ginagawa ko sa vlog ko. Ayun. And my dad, syempre, hindi mawawala yung dad ko. Pero, my dad passed away nung grade 4 pa lang ako. So, 10 years old pa lang. Yes. My dad is Mr. Melvin Pakatang. Yes. And actually, ako yung girl version ng dad ko. I miss you, Dad. So, ayun. And, I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Agribusiness at Negros Oriental State University. And I am 25 years old. And ano ba? Yun lang siguro yung major information about myself. Okay, so, ayun. Punta na tayo sa question in a box. So, I selected, 5 questions from the application. Ayun. Meron akong 5 questions na sasagutin. Actually, ginagawa ko to na vlog kasi gusto kong meron kayong idea kung sino ako and little information kung ano yung mga gusto ko or what kind of person am I. So, ayun. First question. What is your dream job? Actually, before, my dream job is to be a teacher. Yes, gusto kong maging guro. And before ko tinake yung agriculture na course, I am an education student, secondary education major in biology. But sad to say, because of some health problem, nag-stop ako ng pag-aaral before. And kasi halos every month or twice a month, pumupunta ng hospital, check-ups, and merong mga medicines na kailangan i-take. So, nagipit na rin. So, ayun, nag-stop ako. And for a year, and nung bumalik na ako sa pag-aaral, dun na nag-agriculture na ako. Una, 2 years dito sa Siquijor, dun sa Siquijor State College. And after I graduated there in SSC, yung course ko doon is Associate in Agribusiness Management since 2 years lang siya. So, associate course lang. And after kong graduate doon, I worked as a call center representative in Dumaguete City for a year. No, hindi siya year. Months lang. And after kong nag-work is, since gusto ko talagang makapag-board exam, and gusto din ng mom ko na matapos ko yung bachelor degree, so that's why we decided na ipipursue ko yung studies ko at Negros Oriental State University, also in Dumaguete City. Ayun. So, since nakatapos na ako ng agriculture, so ngayon, yung dream job ko is to be an extension worker. Agriculture extension worker. Yung trabaho niya is magdi-disseminate ng agricultural information sa mga small farmers. Yun siya. So, para na lang din akong guro kasi magtuturo ako ng mga information, ganun, magdi-disseminate. So, ayun, that is my dream job, and hope, and I wish soon, lalaban natin yan. And next question. Is it ever right to do the wrong thing? No. Yes. Is it ever right to do the wrong thing? Yes pala, yes. Ano ba? Yes. If that wrong thing is the right thing at that certain situation or scenario. Diba? Kasi, pwede siyang gawin mo kahit na hindi siya tama, kahit na wrong na siya. If at that certain situation, yun lang yung tama. So, why not? Diba? So, ayun. Next question. What movies have you seen more than once? Why? A Walk to Remember. Yan. Actually, it's a book by Nicholas Spark. And, yes guys, disclaimer, hindi ako binabayaran ha. Pero guys, it is a must read and a must watch movie talaga. Yung sa kay Nicholas Sparks. Actually, maraming nagsasabi na ang positive ko daw sa life. Nakukuha ko yung pagiging positive ko through reading books and watching movies. Especially that book talaga ni Nicholas Sparks. Kasi mostly yung books niya is hindi siya happy ending. Always talaga, mostly sad ending talaga. So, ayun, marirealize mo na life is too short to be stressed. Life is too short to be sad and everything. So, ayun, talagang magiging positive ka. Pero, depende na lang siguro yun. Kasi, ganun ko hinahandle yung situation. Every time, nandun ako sa negative na situation, hahanap ako ng isang bagay or isang basta hahanap ako ng kahit ng isang positive, and doon ako mag-focus. Yes. So, delete negativity. Charot. Joke. Ayun. Why? Because marami kayong matututunan dun sa sa movie na yun, yung A Walk to Remember. Basta nakakaiyak kayo yung movie na yun, promise. Okay, next question. If you only had 24 hours to live, what would you do? Ako, yung gagawin ko is to spend yung 24 hours is spend ko siya sa mga loved ones ko. Especially sa family ko. Ayun. And kakain ako ng marami. Kakainin ko yung mga favorite foods ko. And ayun guys, kakainin ko yung mga favorite foods ko. And gagawa ko ng mga adventures since medyo mahilig ako sa mga adventures. Like, magsa-skydiving ako. Ayun guys. Oh my god. Magsa-skydiving ako, mag-scuba diving, bungee jumping, and everything. Kasi gusto ko yung maranasan. If I will have 24 hours left in my life to live. Whatever, basta yun. Okay, and the last questions that I got there is, what is one event in your past that has made you who you are? Yung mga times na nasasaktan ako. Char. Ayun. Yung nawala yung dad ko. Even if 10 years old pa lang ako doon. As in, nasa mind ko na talagang ipaparamdam ko sa family ko kung gaano ko sila kamahal. Actually, sa napapansin ko, sa aming magkakapatid, yung ate ko, yung oldest namin, tsaka ako yung parang vocal sa mga nararamdaman namin. Like, ako, mahilig akong mag-I love you kay mommy, sa mga kapatid ko. Ayan. Talagang vocal ako. Kung ano yung sinasabi ko, totoo. Yes. If nag-I love you ako, totoo yung sinasabi ko. Like, hindi ako mag-waste ng time na ipaparamdam sa mga taong mahal ko na mahal ko sila kasi life is too short. Ayun. So guys, yes, yun yung na-learn ko nung nawala yung dad ko. Kahit na sobrang bata ko pa nun. Like, hindi talaga siya nawala sa mind ko. And, kasi sobrang clingy ko po talaga. Not just sa family ko, sa mga loved ones ko, to my friends din po. Magsisay I love you ako sa kanya kung totoo na mahal ko siya sa friend. Hindi naman ako plastic. Ayun. And lastly, or the second one, is nung na-experience ko yung first major heartbreak ko. Like, yeah, boyfriend. Yes, nung first breakup na na-experience ko. Doon ko din na-realize na walang forever.
Pero di ko kaya bumitaw.
No. Doon ko din na-realize na it's not an assurance na kahit na super open na kayo sa family mo, it's not an assurance na hindi kayo magkakahiwalay. And kahit na at those time talaga guys na-feel ko na, oh my god, siya na talaga na. Pero ang ending, walang forever talaga guys. Yung forever nandun lang talaga sa family. Good. Pero hindi ako bitter no kasi I'm in a relationship right now. And ayun. So basta yun yung nagiging isa din yun sa mga reason kung bakit parang ang strong ko ngayon. Stronger than yesterday. Ayun. Yeah, yes. And yung pagiging ba? Ewan. Basta, pagiging positive ko sa life. Ganun. So, ayun guys. Yun yung mga questions na nasagot. Basta, buto yun naman sa ning vlogan. So, ayun guys. I hope medyo may na-learn din kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko. And I hope medyo nakilala nyo na ako kung sino at ano talaga ako. So, that's it. And, yun nga guys. Thank you po sa mga lahat na sumuporta sa akin, na subscribe sa channel ko. And sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe, please to subscribe to my channel guys. Yes, and I do really appreciate that. And guys, if magre-reach tayo ng 500 subscribers, may surprise po akong gagawin. Like, yun yung pa-thank you ko sa inyo. So, I hope you will support me. Ayun. And if gusto nyong, may gusto kayong challenge na gusto nyong gawin namin, especially with my mom, paki-comment na lang po sa comment box below para po ma-recognize ko kayo and malaman ko kung ano po yung challenge na gusto nyo pong ipagawa sa amin. So, that's it. And I hope you enjoy watching my nonsense vlog. Yes. Kasi puro ako sat-sat. Ayun. And yes, thank you so much guys for watching and see you to my next vlog. Ciao!